I am Pradeep Chauhan from India in the skill number 13, that is Autobody repair. I am an expert for that skill and my candidate is Mool Chandra. He is from Honda dealership in India. Today the schedule is uh, module A1, that is first for measuring a car front end damage, measuring then correcting with the help of car liner system. And after the C1 module, that is replacing a quarter panel with the latest technique of BMW, that is bonding and riveting. It's very much new to us.
然后你们走完之后，我还要做那个，就好比说你们看到我打毛底是吧？
Found Mr. Mool Chandra as our final candidate for Leipzig. We trained him a lot in my company Honda and afterwards in BMW, because here we are going to have BMW cars, so that is much important. We are motivating him a lot so that he can focus on his job, concentrate and do a good job. He is a little bit familiar with the cars. Just focus and focus. Be calm down and don't look at around anyone going on or not. Just forget everything. Just focus on your job. Then you'll be going to be a winner. See what happened finally, but we are hoping for a gold medal.